gonna just be playing the G chord and the C chord. If you don't know how to do that, look at my fingers and look at the chart as well to show you what your finger placement is. So after you go through that, I'm gonna go through it a couple times. You're gonna change chords on the part when it say, oh, I never know. I wrote the chord names down because I really don't be knowing the chords. I just know that it sound right, you feel me? This next chord is an A minor 7, and all you're doing is, the last chord is a C already, and all you're gonna do is lift up your ring finger, and that's an A minor 7. This is a C chord, and the A minor is just lifting up. You feel me? That's it. So, oh, I never know what makes us mess. And then the next chord after that is gonna be a D7, and the D7 is just, you're keeping your pointer finger on the same note. You're not moving that. So from the C, oh, I never know, and then what makes us mess, all this love, this heart can stand. So on the heart can stand is the D7. So you're gonna place your finger just like this. Hope you can see that. But look at the diagram as well. That'll show you your finger placement. So boom, and then middle finger on the third one, and then the ring finger on the bottom one. You're gonna just play the bottom 4 strings like that. And after you play that for two little thingies, whatever they call, you're gonna go down and you're gonna play it's a G minor / B flat. So you're gonna go down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 6th fret, and you're going to basically do this. Boom. Again, I'm gonna show you on the diagram in case you're confused. So this is a G minor / B flat. So your pointer finger is on this. Your middle finger is on the third one. So we're gonna go, it's the 6th, third one, this is the 4th, and then this pinky is on the 2nd. I'm counting from the bottom. So the bottom is 1, then 2. Yeah, that's how I'm counting, okay? So that's how it's gonna look. Just like that. And then the next chord is going to be the same as this one, but just 1 finger down. It's gonna kind of sound the same, but it's a slight difference in it. In the song, you're gonna hear it. So let's start from gravity is working against me, and then boo, 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 and then it goes, oh I never know, oh I never know what makes us mess, is all this love, this heart can stand. And then dream of ways is when you're gonna slide down here, and you're gonna do the dream. Oops, hold on, I did that wrong. Dream of ways. That's when you're gonna do that. Dream of ways, and then to throw it all away. This is the last chord again. This, we already did this one before. This is the D7. Boom, just like that. It's gonna be just like that. You're gonna end off with that. So then you're gonna go right back into gravity is working. That's it for the video, y'all. We out.